What's up guys, welcome back. Continuing with Mario. I think this is Mario Galaxy. Fire Mario. Throwing a fireball. So, let's try this. I'm on a landscape page. Pencil eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. Slow down the video. When I move my hand, take your time. Try have fun. I'm going to start with his nose. His big bulbous nose. Right here. Like that. And he's in 3/4 pose. That means his head is turned slightly. So we'll get like one eye here and the other over there. So we'll go with the first one. He's kind of frowning heavy, right? So it goes in, down there. And his eyebrows. So this is like his eyebrow line as well. So curves down that way. And then spikes up. And down the back. Big blue eye inside. And his pupil. Black, sort of long, skinny circle. Not like a round, normal human pupil. It's kind of thin. So his other eye is bigger because it's closer to us. It looks bigger. So we do the eyebrow first. We'll just get that in. Going that way. It might be a bit hairy on the back. And then we'll just go down to the front. And then this other eye curves around. It's kind of rounder than the other one. So it looks more like a round Mario eye. Like that. Still not a perfect circle. It's like kind of like an egg or something. And then blue eye line here, because he's looking to the right, so you want to put in the right part of his eye socket. And then this black thin iris. It's a me mustache in here. So we'll go around like this and go the whole way around. It gets kind of real thin to his nose, right? Because we're looking at it from the side. So it'll go like right in around here. So his face kind of disappears behind his arm down here, like at his chin. So what we'll do is we'll go this way down there, and we'll draw it as if it's his face, but it's actually his arm. So what I mean is it'll kind of look like his face shape. So we'll just go down that way, and then we'll go up here. But like this is actually his arm line, but it does look like his face. And then like his mouth comes back. Just like a downturned serious mouth Mario. You might see a bit of the front there. And then like his bottom lip here, I think. The inside of his face goes underneath his eyebrow. And then underneath the hat, somewhere up here. Okay, so his ear just here, top of his jaw. Just like a letter C sort of shape, with like skinnier down here for his earlobe. And you have ear lines inside. And he's got some hair, like his sideburn. Coming down this way. And then we have the rim of his hat. So this kind of starting to say above the sideburn here. Starting here makes it look like a T. And then this goes up. So it goes down and up first. Down and up. And then swoops around the side. And then we can see the finish of the cap sort of inside here. The white cap in this case. And that goes around that way. And then, so he's got a rim, so like an edge. There. And then the tip of this, that goes around and down into the ear. So it's like the top of the cap. And then we'll go up around for the main part of the hat. And it seems to have like a stitching line or something here that just follows that shape again. And then the M for Mario. It's like in there. And then we do that big M. Might have some stitching around the side as well. Okay, so we'll do the throwing hand. So like I said, like it comes across his chin. So we have, say like his shoulder sort of area here. And this comes across the chin. And then the underneath of it is like here. It's like that's his arm. There's like his armpit line there. And then we got like his glove starting here, the white top of the glove. And then where his hand starts from the glove here. And we just get 4 fingers sort of in this kind of position. So the index finger comes out, and they're kind of simple to draw. They're just sort of stumpier, rounder fingers. Number 2. Number 3. And number 4. So 3 fingers, and they have like some lines around, especially on the pinky here. So I think they're like, because it's a glove, it's funny, it actually looks like they made it like a fireproof material glove as well. Nice attention to detail. And his thumb is here. And he has those like 3 little things that gloves have. Just there. Okay, so we get like the rest of his body. So his back just like runs down this way. He's like his leg is up at the back. And he's got like a little spike of hair here actually. That's his back, and his belly then goes this way. And this goes all the way back to the back leg. So we get like his knee curves around. And then his ankle. His front leg here. So some details in here. So we have like his red strap, the yellow button, and then the red dungarees goes around his shoulder. There. You can kind of see some white poking through here. And then there's all like stitching and fold lines. So it's like all stitching that comes down it. And there's like a pocket in between the stitching here. So this is all just like denim stitching lines, you know. Optional, you don't have to do all this stuff, but it is in the realistic Galaxy style there. And there's some stitching that runs down here as well and across the top of the boot. So we get the boots. So just like big chunky round shoes. There's a sole down here. again. And that looks kind of flat, right? So you can leave it like that if you want, but to make it look a little bit more like 3D, you'll draw the bottom of his boot there, and then the heel as well. So like it goes that way, like an up. So it just gives it a bit more three-dimensionality. Looks a bit more realistic. And then his heel here and around. And that's just the brown top, and then you just add a little line following the shape of your boot, and then it goes back for the heel as well. Now our fireball. So you could do, there's lots of different ways of doing this. You could just do, we'll do spiky sort of flame. Just going around, and it's like, it would be wavy, you know, it's not like a perfect sphere. It's kind of like a cloud, but it's a cloud of painful fire. Terrible, painful cloud that you shouldn't touch. And just like the inside that kind of like glows yellow, kind of there. That's the fireball, and he has another hand over here. So we'll go this way. This is like his wrist, and then the glove. And then his knuckles are just kind of curved over on themselves. We get like 1, 2, 3, and this is his thumb. And then the palm of his hand there. So that's like his thumb. Pinky, and you should see the side of the pinky here. And there is some stitching lines on the side of his glove. Boop. Ho ho! There we go. Fire Mario. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye.